look, Harvard has been a disaster. They've taken $5 billion plus.
What happens when the world's most elite university locks horns with the White House? Well, a federal judge just stepped in, calling out what she fears could be last-minute shenanigans by the Trump administration. Here are some key takeaways from Trump versus Howard's legal face-off. A federal judge in Massachusetts said on Thursday she will indefinitely block the Trump administration from making any changes to Howard University's International Student Visa program. U.S. District Court Judge Alison Burroughs made it clear even if the administration backs down, she's issuing a formal court order, and I quote, "I want to maintain the status quo," she said. The move comes after Burroughs temporarily halted the government's ban on Harvard's international student enrollment last week. Harvard called the revocation of its visa certification clear retaliation for refusing to accept the White House's policy demands. Those demands included eliminating diversity, equity, and inclusion programs, banning masks at protest, and shifting to merit-based hiring and admissions. Howard is represented by Ian Gershengorn, former acting U.S. Solicitor General under Obama. He now works at Jenner & Block, the same firm recently targeted by a Trump executive order. Ian told the court on Thursday, and I quote, "We want to make sure there are no shenanigans once the order is in place." He revealed that the administration's letter threatening visa revocation was sent at 11:48 p.m. on Wednesday night. Just hours before the hearing, the Trump administration reversed course. It sent Howard a 5-page notice of intent to withdraw from the Student and Exchange Visitor Program, giving the university 30 days to respond. The government cited reasons like non-compliance with foreign student reporting and failing to ensure an environment free from violence and anti-Semitism. It also argued the school wasn't meeting federal standards for the program. Howard hosts students from at least 147 countries and territories. Roughly 6,800 international students make up 27.2% of its 2024-25 student body. The school has a total international academic population of around 9,970. Many of them were graduating even as the hearing unfolded in court. Despite the administration's last-minute delay, Judge Burroughs isn't backing off. She indicated a court order is still needed and said Howard's First Amendment claims may need a full hearing. She also voiced concern over international students abroad who haven't been able to secure visas due to embassy delays. This fight is just one front in the broader clash between American higher education and the Trump White House. Beyond the visa program, Howard is suing over $2.2 billion federal funding freeze linked to the school's refusal to comply with the administration's ideological demands. Critics say it's part of a wider political campaign against institutions that champion diversity, globalization, and the rule of law. With tensions rising and thousands of students' futures hanging in the balance, all eyes are now on the federal bench in Massachusetts. The battle for America's classroom has reached the courtroom, and the outcome could reshape higher education for years to come. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.